Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abonwada Biafra. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective in English and in Igbo language. In Igbo language, demonstrative pronoun is egosi nnọchiaha. Egosi nnọchiaha. While demonstrative adjective is gosipụta adjective. That's a gosipụta adjective is a gosipụta nkọwaha. Nkọwaha is adjective. So demonstrative adjective clarify or modify noun or pronoun in a sentence, and they are followed by noun or pronoun they are trying to clarify in a sentence, while demonstrative pronoun are followed by linking verb, and they can replace noun or pronoun in a sentence, and they can also stand alone. Okay, so if you're joining me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe if you have not done so, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So remember that demonstrative adjectives are also called determiners. Determiners. Demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective have some things in common, like both of them try to point at the position of a noun or a pronoun in a sentence by use of words, okay, by use of words that show near and far, near and far, near and far, okay, this and that, these and those, okay, far and near, okay, something like that. Okay, so by use of these words, this, that's nka in Igbo language, those, these, ndia, okay, that, nka bo, nka ahụ, those, ndị ahụ. So this and that, that's nka na nka ahụ, that's singular. Plural, these and those, ndị a na ndị ahụ, that's far, far and near. Okay, so another thing there is that both of them deal with pronoun and or noun in a sentence. That's a major one. Okay, is one of them. They both of them, they deal with a pronoun or noun in a sentence. So there's this in English language. In English, let me say, in English language, this is specific for English language. In English language, demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective are placed before the noun or pronoun they are trying to describe. Like here, this big house, this is a demonstrative pronoun. I will come back and tell you why it's a demonstrative adjective. Sorry, it's a demonstrative adjective. This big house is a demonstrative adjective. I will tell you why later. Okay, this is a big house. This is a big house. Okay, this, it comes after, they come before the house they are trying to describe, or the or pronoun they are trying to describe. This is how it appears when it comes to English language. But in Igbo language, they appear demonstrative adjective that I use DA to show demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective comes after the noun. After the noun. They are placed after the noun. See the noun, nnukwu ụlọ. Nke a is the demonstrative adjective. So it's placed after the noun. And that's how to know demonstrative adjective. While in a demonstrative pronoun, in Igbo language, they come or placed before the noun. They placed before the noun. The noun comes last. So that is a demonstrative pronoun. Okay, this is the two different things. This, they are placed after the noun. That's demonstrative adjective. And placed before the noun. Okay, before the noun. And demonstrative, showing demonstrative pronoun. So very important, you know, this is in Igbo language. In Igbo language. So another thing is the linking verb. Okay, the linking verb. So this is demonstrative adjective. It does not have linking verb. Okay, to connect with the or to point at the noun or pronoun in the sentence. He has no excuse. He don't want to take excuse from anybody. He doesn't need linking verb. He tried to talk about the noun directly. Okay? He doesn't want to, he want to gossip. He want to gossip very sharply, you know. He doesn't want to take he doesn't like to have add link. So when there is a link there, like here, this is a demonstrative pronoun. This is a big house. It's a demonstrative pronoun. Why? Because there is a link here, a verb link or linking verb. Let's say linking verb. And this linking verb is. Okay? We have linking verbs here. Are, is, where, was, are. That's this is, these are, these are, this is, these are. That's singular. Plural. Those were, these were. She is, she was, she is, she was. Okay, so in Igbo language, this are, is, were, was, they are all linking verb, and in Igbo language, only one word represents all of them. We don't have a plural or singular when it comes to bo. Ada bo, ada ndị ahụ bụ, ụmụ nwoke ndị ahụ bụ, John bụ, ihe ahụ bụ. Okay, so all these are bo in Igbo language. For some of you that are learning Igbo language, okay, all these are bo in Igbo language. Okay, so we are. Okay, and they are all these four things are linking verb. They are linking verb that they connect the pointing word, that is the this, connect it with the verb, the noun or the pronoun in a sentence. Which when you come to demonstrative pronoun, the demonstrative adjective, there is no link, verb link. Okay, it talks about the pronoun or noun in a sentence directly. But this one, the demonstrative pronoun, goes indirectly with a linking verb to talk about this noun. Okay, it goes direct with a linking verb, while demonstrative adjective does not need any linking verb. He likes to talk straightly. Okay, Okay, so another thing is demonstrative pronoun, that's DP. Demonstrative pronoun can stand alone. How? Can stand alone, while demonstrative adjective cannot stand alone. Why? Okay, so assuming you want to say, okay, which bag do I take? Maybe you want to ask your friend question, which bag do I take? Okay, your friend can say that. Just point at it and say that, which means that there is just a demonstrative pronoun. That's what I mean by can stand on their own. They can stand on their own. Your friend can say, when you ask, which bag do I take? He said that. He just points at one and say that. But demonstrative adjective cannot just say that. When he said that, it means it's a demonstrative pronoun, because demonstrative adjectives, they like to have something by their side. They want to have the noun or pronoun. They must have a noun or pronoun beside them. That's what they are trying to point at. They must have it. Okay, so that's the difference between the two. So demonstrative pronoun can just point at it and go. Okay, while demonstrative adjective cannot simply point. He need this, like here, he need this house to be able to describe, to clarify. He don't want to just say this. If he say this, it means it's just a demonstrative pronoun. So to make it a demonstrative adjective, he need an object, or he need a noun or pronoun beside him to be able to point, okay, to make himself a demonstrative adjective. Are you seeing the difference? So he must have this by the side to the noun or the pronoun he's trying to describe. He must have it to make himself a demonstrative pronoun, a demonstrative adjective with the pointing words. Okay, so that is it. So that's one of the difference. And again, another point is that demonstrative pronoun can replace a noun. Okay, they can replace a noun in a sentence. How? That's, they can replace a noun. This, these, those, that, these. Okay, they are demonstrative the words. Okay, so they, in a demonstrative pronoun, they can replace a word, a noun, or replace a pronoun. How do they do that? Okay, okay, let me give you an example. Like cup is better. Cup is a noun. Cup is better. How do I use either of these to talk about it? This is better. You see, I've used this to replace the cup. This is better. But in demonstrative pronoun, it is not like that. You cannot replace a noun. You cannot replace this big house with this this. Okay? When you use this to replace this house, it makes it a demonstrative pronoun. It's no more demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjective must have this. So this is how you know it. You know the difference. You must have this noun or pronoun that is describing. You must have it in a sentence without any link. He doesn't need any link to do that. Okay. So he need to point directly. He doesn't need the link, which is the link, which is this is, that are, those were, you know, she was. Okay, he doesn't need the link, which is bo in Igbo language. Okay, so he doesn't need bo between this and the noun or pronoun before he can talk or gossip, because you want to gossip very fast. Okay, so no need of link. Okay, and again, it can replace a okay, example of if it can replace a noun. Okay, cup is better, this is better. Okay, like if it's it is better. Okay, let it use either of these to replace it. It is better. You can say this is better. So like that. Okay, so you see, this has replaced the it is better. So that means that the demonstrative pronoun can replace a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. So this is how to know that is a demonstrative pronoun. When you change it, try to use demonstrative words to replace the noun and see how it is or it will be. If it's not okay, it means it's not demonstrative pronoun. But if it goes properly, like cup is good, this is good, means it's a demonstrative pronoun. But if it doesn't go like that, it means it doesn't go like this, you know, it is not proper. Okay, so the another thing is sometimes in English, okay, specifically in English language, not Igbo this time around. I don't think we don't have such in Igbo language. In English language, sometimes the demonstrative pronoun, that DP, goes with neither. Sometimes, you know, he uses these words to show the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, neither, such, none. It's not, we don't have them in Igbo language. This is only English language. Neither, such, none. That's an example, like such is life. Such is life. Neither side is good, or neither is good. Okay, or none is there, none is good. Okay, so is a demonstrative adjective. Okay, it's sometimes in English language we have these three words, okay, trying to show demonstrative demonstrative pronoun, okay, in English language. Okay, so that is it. There's okay, I think that's the thing. So let me show you examples of the words in sentences. Okay, so here is we have this is okay. I've talked about this. Okay, so this is her bag. This is her bag. It is a demonstrative pronoun because there is a link here. Demonstrative pronoun. This is, okay, her bag. So it's pointing at the bag. Okay, it's demonstrative pronoun. Nka bo abaya. Nka bo abaya. Okay, you see in Igbo language, remember demonstrative pronoun, they come before the noun. The noun is aba. Bo is the linking verb. Linking verb here. Linking verb is bo. Nka bo abaya. Nka bo abaya. Okay, so nka is demonstrative pronoun, and it is placed before the bag. So that's how to know that is demonstrative pronoun. Okay, in Igbo language, because in English language all of them are placed before the noun or the pronoun they are trying to describe. Okay, this bag is hers. This bag is hers. Aba. Okay, aba. Remember I told you aba, that's this. This is nka. So you can say you remove nke, and make but it depends on where. If it's at the beginning of a sentence, you cannot remove nke or ndi or that or nke here. No, ndi. So you know, if you are at the beginning of the sentence, but at the middle of the sentence or the end of the sentence, you can use ah in place of that. You remove this nke. Okay, so here is the example of that. I taught you in that in last video, I think. Okay, where am I? So nke a, okay, nke a bụ akpa. Remember, this is her bag. Nke a bụ akpa ya. That's demonstrative pronoun before the bag, before the noun. Okay, so akpa is a pronoun here. Akpa, you see, it comes after the bo nke ya. So it came after the noun in the sentence. So it's demonstrative adjective. So that's how to know. Okay, when you see it before the noun, know that it's a demonstrative pronoun. When you see it after the noun, it's a demonstrative adjective. Okay, so the same thing here. These are their pot. Remember, this is a linking verb. These are their pot. Ndia bo. Ndia. Okay, this, you see, when it comes the beginning, you don't remove this and call you must put ndia or nka. But if it's in the middle, like aba or you know, abanka, you can say abanka, abanka. But if you want to remove nka, okay, it's possible. You can put only but you cannot do that when it starts a sentence. Like here, it starts the sentence nka, so you cannot remove nke. Okay, in the Igbo language is like that. So when it starts a sentence, you cannot remove. Okay, but you can remove when it comes inside like this. Okay, so ndia bo is the linking verb. Ite ya ha. Ndia bo ite ha. These are their pot. Ndia. So at the beginning of the sentence, which means before the ite, which means it's a demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so these pots are theirs. Ite, ndia. You see, ndia or ita. You can say itea, or you say ite ndia, bo, because it's in the middle. Okay, bo nke ha, bo nke ha. So you see, ite comes before the pointing verb, the pointing demonstrative stuff. Okay, so ite is the noun. Okay, the demonstrative adjective is after the ite. Okay, which is the noun. Ndia bo nke ha. Bo is the linking verb here, but is a linking verb, but it's not. It's a demonstrative adjective because the ite. Okay, this pot. These are pointing directly on this pot. They are not dependent on this linking verb here. They are not dependent on this linking here. Okay, they are interested in pointing at this pot, showing, gossiping, you know, trying to gossip direct. Okay, so he's not dependent on this link. He has no idea about the link. Okay, he doesn't want to know about the link, so he goes directly with the pot. Okay, so this link doesn't have any meaning. It doesn't mean the same with this. They are different things. Here, this depend on this link, but here, this depend on the pot. Are you seeing the difference? This depends on the link. This depends on the pronoun or the noun, while this only depends or move with the link. So that's the difference. Okay, itabo, ite ha, ite ndiabo nke ha. Okay, that is my plate. That is my plate. Nka aho. That's the okay. Bo eferem. which means coming before the efere means demonstrative pronoun. Okay, that plate is mine. Remember, that plate, that here does not have any need for this link to talk about this plate. So there is no connection with this that and this here. His connection is only with the plate. Unlike here, demonstrative pronoun is this one. It depends on the link directly. It goes between the link and the plate. The link goes between the pointing word and the plate, or the noun or the pronoun they are trying to describe. So the link go in between. It goes in between. But here it doesn't go anywhere. Here it has nothing here in between. Okay, so this does not concern him. This is here does not concern him in a demonstrative adjective. What concerns him is the plate. Okay, so those are the boys. Those are the boys. Is it those boys? Those are, that's the linking verb between the boy and the those. Okay, this shows demonstrative adjective, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. So here, is it those boys? Are you seeing the linking, the demonstrative adjective goes directly with the boys. It doesn't have any link in between. Are you getting the thing? The link or whatever, it doesn't concern him. It goes with those boys. This bag, those bags, this house. Okay, so that's how to know demonstrative adjective. Without these boys here, it's like is demonstrative pronoun, because demonstrative pronoun can stand on their own. Just those, that, this. Okay, they can stand like that. Okay, but this cannot stand like that because they need these boys or needs the noun or the pronoun to describe themselves or make themselves demonstrative adjective. Okay, so ọ bụ ụmụ nwoke ndị ahụ, ndị ahụ, or you can say ọ bụ ụmụ nwoke ahụ, ọ bụ ụmụ nwoke ahụ, or ọ bụ ụmụ nwoke ndị ahụ. Okay, so you see at the beginning of the sentence you cannot remove ndị ahụ. You can say ahụ bụ, ahụ bụ. You cannot, because it's starting a sentence, so you must complete it. Ndị ahụ bụ ụmụ nwoke ahụ. You can say ndị ahụ bụ ụmụ nwoke ndị ahụ. Ndị ahụ bụ ụmụ nwoke ndị ahụ. Okay, so ọ bụ ụmụ nwoke ndị ahụ. Okay, is it those boys? Ọ bụ ụmụ nwoke ndị ahụ. It's a question, it has a question mark. Is it those boys? Ọ bụ ụmụ nwoke ndị ahụ. Those are the boys. That's a demonstrative pronoun. Ndị ahụ bụ ụmụ nwoke ahụ. Okay, so if you like this video, I think this is the end. If you like this video, you thumbs up. Okay, see you in the next video. The next video, I'm gonna be teaching, I think I have a conjunction in another video. A conjunction, I'm gonna be teaching about a conjunction and stuff like that. Okay, so keep watching. Thanks for your support, and God bless you. So keep watching and meet you in the next video. Okay, thanks, bye. And make sure you subscribe. Okay.